Today I will be doing something a little different than I normally do. I just received my Anthro Desk. It is a standing crank manual desk. I have a top here and a bottom. Well, this is the frame. So I will be unboxing it for you, assembling it, and then demonstrating it later on. I'll more than likely be trying to do one of my paintings on it and see how it goes. So I will be back after after I unbox it, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here's all the parts. Took them out of the box already. Here's the bolts and everything, and the Allen key, everything in a nice little package. I've got every piece here. Here is the instruction book. So just follow this. There's a list of all the parts. It's they're very heavy. I can barely lift this up myself. Like very well constructed, very heavy. So that's them, and I want to show you the top. Let me stand up. Very nice. Awesome. Really awesome. Okay, it's quite large. So, I'm going to start to put this together with the help of my husband. And I'm really getting excited. I can't wait to get this together. See you in a little bit. I'm back, and I'm ready to put this together with the help of my husband, or he's going to put it together. We've laid out all the pieces, and they're pretty much ready to go. Yeah, so we'll start.
I've laid it out so the right side and the left side is where it goes. To put this piece on, you have to expand it. Well, I find it's going to be easier just to do this and put it on top. Otherwise, it could hit you in the head. So you've got 3 screws that go now. You want to make sure they're tight because these are your legs and the top. Now we're going to put that back up. And we're going to put on the left and your right side. Now, this side is important. This side is the right side. This is your adjuster for your handle, which is going to crank the table up and down. What we have to do is put this on first before we insert that. As you can see, there's a hole there. It's going to go in here. Now you're going to have to put in a little Allen screw here. And I have that ready here. It's just I believe a stopper to how far in it will go. So yes. Then you have another screw here. So for now, we'll leave them loose. Like I say, this is the right side of the table. This must go. Bring it around here. There's a hole here. This inserts into the Allen key whole way there. Okay, so it's a little bit fiddly to get it to line up, and there it's lined up. It went in. You seen that it went in there, and now all we have to do is install our 2 screws. These are, you have to loosen these at the start to expand it. When you get it to the size you want, you will tighten these back up and then it won't go. So this one has to go in this hole here. And then this side is adjustable. When you loosen these Allen screws, loosen these Allen screws here. Expand that till it goes into its hole there. No, these ones you do not touch. This is only one side expands. Now this will go into whatever size you want your table to be. I won't put on the legs at the moment, just so I can show you this piece. Okay, so our tabletop that we have here is 48 inches long. So we want at least 1 inch to 2 inches each side to position the tabletop. So I'm going to leave 2 inches aside and make this 44 inches wide, or long, whichever way you're thinking about it. So there's 44 inches. Now, what you must do is make sure this is in fully, then tighten up your Allen screws. Tighten up these Allen screws here also to make sure that it doesn't move around. Okay, so very important to make sure these get tightened. Otherwise, your adjuster will not work. It'll come out on one side, and one side of the table could go up, and the other side will not move. I'm just making sure these are tight. I never loosened them, but we'll make sure. Then we have to make sure that these ones are tightened up. So now we have our legs, 4 screws,
These are the feet, and they're adjustable. They go up and down, so you can level out your table.
It's really very simple operation to put it together, but it is heavy. So I would recommend having someone to help. I've flipped the table over right now before we put the top on, just so my wife can see how it's going to go up and down. And if you notice right here, as you crank, this is going up. So your tabletop would be coming up. And here it's going down.
Very quiet.
Yep.
So I received a reclaimed tabletop with the base, because the base of the table, the frame, doesn't come with a top. You have to buy the top separately. So he's measuring right now, measuring it out, and we're just gonna screw, or we're just going to
pre-drill
the holes smaller than the screw, and then attach it. Okay. So once it's done, I'll be back to show you how it works. Okay, so it's all completed, and my husband's just winding it to show you it going up. It's very quiet.
Okay, I'm going to put it back
Going down.
It's very easy to assemble. I just assembled it for my wife because of the weight of it, and I was concerned about her taking it. She wants to take it down the basement after this, so
it's very, very,
it's
very,
a little too heavy
very
for her.
Sturdy. Like I can barely move it. It's very sturdy. I wanted to show you how I'm going to be using this table to do my artwork, and then after that my editing. So I have it at the lowest level right now because I'm sitting down, and this is comfortable for me. I will be raising it up to standing once I do part of this. I don't stand the whole time I do my paintings because I have a back problem and a knee problem, so I alternate. So I'm gonna do a painting and show you that. Oh, I've covered this with cardboard and plastic to protect from getting paint on the table. Also, what I did was I leveled it. I have to have a level table in order to do my artwork, because if I let it dry on the table, I don't want it to flow off the canvas. I use paint that is mixed with different ingredients, like water or pouring mediums, so I have to level the table, and you do it by the little feet on the bottom of the table that you can adjust. So I did that, and it's level. So because you can set this table to whatever level is most comfortable to you, it reduces your back pain and improves posture, therefore increasing productivity. And by standing instead of sitting all the time, it can also burn calories. This table is nice and big, so I have lots of room on the table for all my supplies that I need while I'm doing this. Now I'm going to be standing up, so I will be raising up the table to a comfortable level. Okay, this is comfortable for me. Just like to show you a close-up of what I've done. And then I'll be adding it to the computer and editing it. And then uploading it to YouTube. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to transfer my video to my computer, to my laptop, and then edit, and then publish to YouTube. So first of all, I have to lower the desk because I'm going to be sitting for this. And what you can do, or what I didn't show you, is the handle comes out when you wind it, and you can push it in, and then push the handle in a bit, move this over, and then there's a little clip underneath the table. You just clip it on and move it out of the way so you don't bang it or break it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, you can order one of these from Anthrodesk. They're fantastic. I really love it, and have a great day.